Hi guys, so today we're going to do an IPSY unbagging and try on. This bag is actually my mom's, so it is fitting her profile. Hers came in first and I wanted to review the products, and I imagine they'll be pretty similar to what I'm getting. And we kind of share products anyway. If something doesn't work for her, she gives it to me, same vice versa. This is July's IPSY bag. And so there's one item that's outside of the bag. It's either BKR, Paris, or Baker, I'm not really sure how you say it. Ultra Hydrating Glossy Lip Treatment. If I can figure out how to open the bag. There we go. Jeez, that should not be hard. Okay. Water balm. I don't exactly know what a water balm is, but if there's any other lip products, I can just put that over this, I think. Oh, it feels really nice. It's very gel-like. It's kind of like this creamy color, but it goes on completely clear. That feels really nice. I like that a lot. Okay, so good start. Ooh, it smells good too. I can't tell you what it smells like because I don't really know, can't pinpoint it, but I love when cosmetics have a scent. I just think it's so fun. It like adds a little something extra. It doesn't really taste like anything though. I'm not getting that like lip smackers effect. Everything tastes like strawberry or watermelon. This is the bag. That's so cute. It has kind of like a holographic or iridescent finish on it. I love IPSY bags, and they're so helpful because you can like reuse them for everything. So first we have the Manakadar Step 2 Polish, which is Flawless Finish Dual Powder C3 linen, Flawless Linen made in China. Oh, good to know. So I guess this is just all over powder. That actually looks like a pretty great match for me, meaning it'll without doubt be too dark for my mom. I don't know if you can even see it. It's just that this little line right here. It feels really soft, very finely milled, nice and compact. I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over, and yeah. I brought all of my face brushes but no mirror, so I'm just going to be trying to use the viewfinder to apply this, but it should go on well. It looked like a pretty good match in my hand, so I'm just going to trust that. I like the way it feels. Okay. Next we have Nude Eyeshadow Nude Beach Volume 3 from the Balm. I love the Balm. And this is actually a pretty big pan. The color's called Bodacious, and it looks kind of like a bronzery color. That's too funny. All of the little other colors, it has like previews of the other colors up here, and they're like blocking people as if they weren't wearing clothes. So, ooh, that's pretty. It has like kind of pinky, orangey undertones. That's really pretty. And I know that in my mom's profile, she said that she's like more into nude colors. So far, I would say this is definitely matching what she said in her profile. Okay. Ooh, it blends really easily. I like that color a lot. That looks really nice. I like that a lot. Pretty pigmented, but it's like not hard to blend. I really, really like that color. I'm super into kind of bronzy looking eyes, and that definitely does it. I'm also gonna take this little brush and smudge it under my eye just a little bit. Wait, let me make sure there's no other. I don't think there's any other eye products. Yeah, no, we're good. This is the one. Okay. Oh, I love that. Ooh. Hopefully my mom's not that into this color, because then I can have it. Okay. And I'll scoot a little closer. But that is that color all in the crease and like slightly underneath my eyes. I need a little more concealer today. Whew, whew. Those dark circles, man. Okay. Next we have the Vintage, looks like a lip gloss. Sparkling Lip Gloss in Papaya. That's so cute. I love that. And it has kind of an orangey tint to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. It looks like the sparkles in it are like gold and iridescent. Ooh. And it has a brush. I was expecting a doe foot applicator, but it's actually a brush applicator. I don't know if you can really see that. Ooh, I like that. I don't really wear a lot of gloss, but I do like this corally color. Okay, so I probably wouldn't usually wear that with such a pink shirt. I think the pink shirt might be making it look slightly more pinky than corally, but that's what it looks like in the bottom. It's definitely more coral. Really like this though. It feels really nice. It's not sticky. I'm not getting any of those weird fibers like pulling when you try and open your mouth. I think that's why I'm so against lipstick. Not lipstick, love lipstick. Lip gloss though, because I've had so many experiences where it's been like super duper sticky and like anytime you go outside your hair ends up getting stuck in it. And then finally we have the Vita Liberata Advanced Organics Body Blur HD Finish, HD Skin Finish in Latte. Except for medium darks, in medium dark. I don't know what this is. Does it say? Body Blur, the original Instagram filter in a tube. Its revolutionary technology minimizes blemishes, covers imperfections, and smooths skin for an HD ready skin finish. The technology supercharges the certified organic extracts for supreme hydration that cares for your skin for instantly glowing and gorgeous skin. So is it a primer? Use very sparingly, apply small dots across your skin, blend in circular movements, wash hands after use. So I have the eyeshadow swatch right there and then this little dot. It said to apply sparingly. Wow. Okay, on me, that's like a nice little bit of bronze. Hopefully you can see that. It's pretty. I think it kind of looks like a, I mean, it makes sense for summer, just a little bit of a skin bronze. It's really cute, but I don't 100% understand what it is. What is this? I'm gonna Google that and be right back. Okay, so I just looked it up and it says that the Body Blur is a self-tanning product, which I probably need to go wash this little patch off my hand or I'm going to have a weird patch of tan on my hand. So I'm gonna go do that and I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup. Hey guys, so I finished up my look, just added a little bit of shimmer in the middle from my Lorac Pro 3 palette, a little bit of eyeliner and mascara, and we are good to go. Overall, I really loved this IPSY bag this month. The Balm eyeshadow was probably my favorite, which I think I moved when I finished the rest of my makeup, so I don't have it to like hold. But the Balm eyeshadow was definitely my favorite. I love eyeshadow, and that's probably because I'm biased and I love eyeshadow. But I also really love the feel of these lip products. I have both I still have the hydrating Baker Paris or BKR Paris underneath this gloss, and it feels really great, really hydrated, and it's still like really shiny and fun. The only product that I was like a little bit confused about was this Body Blur product, which is just a self-tanning product. It does have a very slight like micro glitter, I think, in it. Like very, like ever so slight. Not like micro glitter like you would think in an eyeshadow. Like, I think it just gives your sort of like illuminating primers. It's more like an illuminating effect than anything else. But yeah, this was the only one I was confused about. I'd have to give it a little bit more of a, hey, my cat's not, I didn't even see him there. Where was I? This, interesting, want to try it out. I did it on my hand and I really like the color a lot. It does seem like a small amount to be a body product, so I wouldn't want to like start going, you know, and run out, but maybe I'll try it like on my chest region because I tend to like not really tan there. So yeah, I'll try this out and maybe wear it in another video. See what I think. It seems cool though. I like the color. I wasn't expecting a self-tanning product and I don't really personally use self-tanning products. So we shall see. If you guys like this video and you want to see more unbaggings, just comment below. So yeah, subscribe and like this video if you liked it. Comment below if you use IPSY, and if so, what was your favorite product? All right, have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.